Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can now change the color of your Discord theme using the color that you actually want. So you don't have to like add a gradient to it, I guess. So this is like new, but you do have to, but you do need Nitro for this. So if you go to user settings and you go to appearance, there's color themes and you can actually customize the theme here. As you can see, you can do light mode or dark mode here, and you can now choose the color that you want. I'm just going to do pink because I love the color pink. Let's do light mode, even though I don't really use this because it's just cute. And then here you can also adjust the color intensity. You can also select surprise me, and you can also, I think, create gradient if that's the case here. So this is like, I'll do like pink. And then I actually really like this. It's like cotton candy themed. You can also adjust the gradient direction as well here, which I think is pretty cool. And this is what it looks like in dark mode. So yeah, now you can actually select the colors that you actually like, which I think is pretty cool. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.